The National Electrical Code requires specific placement of receptacle outlets in kitchens to ensure convenient access to power. Specifically, the code mandates that at least one receptacle outlet must be installed for every 12 linear feet of counter space. This requirement aims to minimize the use of extension cords, which can be a safety hazard in kitchens where electrical appliances are frequently used. It is important to understand that the receptacle outlet serving the counter space does not necessarily need to be located directly on the counter itself. The NEC allows for some flexibility in this regard. A receptacle outlet can be placed in the wall within 6 feet of the counter, as long as it meets certain accessibility criteria. This means that a single receptacle outlet could potentially serve both the counter space and a portion of the adjacent wall space. Several factors determine whether a receptacle outlet located on the wall can effectively cover the counter space. Firstly, the receptacle outlet must be readily accessible. This means that it should not be obstructed by appliances, cabinets, or other permanent fixtures. The intention is to ensure that the receptacle outlet can be easily reached and used without having to move heavy objects or navigate around obstacles. Secondly, the receptacle outlet must be positioned within 6 feet of the counter space it is intended to serve. This measurement is typically taken horizontally along the wall. The 6-foot rule ensures that the receptacle outlet is close enough to the counter space to be practical for plugging in appliances. It is important to consider the layout of the kitchen when determining the placement of receptacle outlets. If the counter space is interrupted by a sink, range, or refrigerator, each separate counter space is considered a separate area. Each of these separate counter spaces must be provided with its own receptacle outlets to meet the NEC requirements. There are exceptions to the general rules. One exception involves small appliance circuits. In kitchens, at least two 20-amp small appliance branch circuits are required to serve the receptacle outlets in the kitchen, pantry, breakfast room, dining room, or similar areas. These small appliance circuits must serve all receptacle outlets in these areas, including those on the countertops. These circuits cannot serve lighting outlets or other appliances. Another exception applies to islands and peninsulas. If a kitchen has an island or peninsula countertop, at least one receptacle outlet must be provided at each island or peninsula countertop with a long dimension of 24 inches or greater. This receptacle outlet must be located within 12 inches of the countertop surface. Considerations are important such as ground fault circuit interrupter protection or GFCI. The NEC requires GFCI protection for all receptacle outlets serving kitchen countertops. GFCI protection is designed to protect people from electrical shock by detecting ground faults and immediately interrupting the circuit. This protection is particularly important in kitchens where water and electricity are often in close proximity. Also, tamper-resistant receptacles are important. Tamper-resistant receptacles are designed to prevent children from inserting objects into the slots. The NEC requires tamper-resistant receptacles in dwelling units to enhance safety. The National Electrical Code Section 210.52 C1 covers wall counter spaces and states that a receptacle outlet shall be installed at each wall counter space that is 12 inches or wider. Receptacle outlets shall be installed so that no point along the wall line is more than 24 inches, measured horizontally from a receptacle outlet in that space. Countertop space is separated by range tops. Refrigerators or sinks are considered as separate countertop spaces. If a range countermounted cooking unit or sink is installed in an island or peninsula countertop, and the width of the countertop behind the range cooking unit or sink is less than 12 inches, the range cooking unit or sink shall be permitted to be considered as the separation. Island counter spaces that are at least 24 inches long or wider shall have at least one receptacle. Peninsula counter spaces that are at least 24 inches long or wider shall have at least one receptacle. Island and peninsula countertop spaces with dimensions of 12 inches or greater in width and 24 inches or greater in length shall have at least one receptacle outlet. Receptacles shall be located no further than 12 inches below the countertop. Receptacles shall not be installed in a face-up position in the countertops. The intent of these rules is to ensure that receptacle outlets are conveniently located and readily accessible. By understanding and following these requirements, electrical professionals can ensure that kitchens are safe and functional for occupants.